getting your rounds out. Up on your shoulder.
You know what it does?
And you're leaning in. So gravity's going to help you put these two in. You always load two.
I got it pulling down.
Hold up on it with your hand under here.
So,
When it shoots, I tend to pull
okay.
it down.
So you want to get.
Mine does that too.
What kind of shells do you use?
These are 20 gauge.
Pick it up.
Alright. Up on your shoulder, get it loaded.
Are they light loads?
These are fairly light.